Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get this originally known as badge on Discord. So if you haven't got the name change update, then you cannot have this badge on your Discord profile. The only way you can get that is you need to wait until your turn comes for the Discord update. Then when it's your time, you'll have a menu right here. It will tell you you can change the username and you can remove the hashtag basically and get a new username. When you get that and when you change it, you'll go into your user settings and you'll go into profiles and you'll scroll down, and here you can see legacy username badge. If you disable it, then you can see that the originally known as badge is gone, but if you enable it back, then you'll get it back just like this. So it is that easy, guys. You just need to wait for the update. There's no rocket science in it. Alright, that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.